Welcome back. So this is another video on image prompting. So here you can see we have a few points to understand, when you are creating images. Here you can see be specific. Avoid vague prompting like a nice view. Instead use. So in the last video I just used this, a vague prompt where I just searched the juice. So I just got this picture. I haven't, talk about what kind of juice color I want, what kind of a glass I want, what kind of a background I'm looking for. So this point, relies on this. Here you can see there is an example. You don't need to write just a nice view. Here you can see an example: a serene mountain landscape at sunrise with mist over a pine forest in the style of National Geographic photo. So this is a kind of a prompt you should write in order to create the specific image that you actually want. So let me just copy this prompt again, come to the image generator and image generator, and let's see what kind of image we get with this prompt. This is a decent picture with like National Geographic, pine forest, sunrise. So everything is in there, right? What I asked this tool, this tool is actually providing me the type of image. So let's just come to the another tool, which is Refer AI. Use this tool again. Come and select a structure that you are. Let's say I just want to make a product ad, so I need a picture for this. So this is a pretty decent picture, I guess. The forest is there, the sunrise is there, the overall background. So this is how you create, images using specific, specific statement. Don't just say that, and I need a nice blue, I need a juice, I need a glass of, glass of wine or glass of this. Just describe the scene, whole scene, in just one or two sentences. The second point is structure your prompt. Use this general order. So this is basically a very important, when you're creating an image using AI tools. So here you can see subject, style, medium, lightning, color scheme, mood, and details. So what you need is you need to have a subject. Subject is something which is, a futuristic city skyline. Style, you should also explain style. What kind of style image you're looking for? Are you looking for AI images? Are you looking for real images, casual images, friendly images? So Cybertruck is style. Here I've described as, I need a Cybertruck style, digital painting, neon lightning. I also described the lightning. Medium is like digital painting. Here I've also described that I need a digital painting. So, and blue and pink color palette, night time, high details. So this is a kind of example that let's see just, what, how it actually give us the image. So this is a structure you need to remember this: subject, style, medium, lightning, color scheme, mood, and details. When you're creating any image, you should remember this structure particularly in order to create an, image. You can also, use AI models. This is pretty much a futuristic city skyline. So pretty much decent, but not really well. Let's just move to the another tool. This is also a good tool. I'm not signing up because it takes a lot of time and video will be long. Just use that one also, yourself. I'm using this one. Let's just change the structure and see what kind of image we will get. So this is also, providing us this type of, because we also mentioned the colors, the blue and pink color palette. Here you can see palette, sorry. Yes. So this is the image based on this prompt. All you need is to know the structure. Let me again come to the slide. Here you can see we have Just remember the structure: subject, style, medium, lightning, color, mode, or details. You can also you can also remember this like SSMLCMD. SSMLCMD. So this is how you will eventually remember the structure of image prompting. Moving ahead, we have the third point, which is like mention art style or medium. So we are talking about the medium here. You can see, the subject, the style. Now it's time to come to the medium. What could be the medium? Photography, macro photography, film grain, painting, oil painting, or watercolor, digital art, 3D renders, pixel arts, famous artist style. So there are tons and tons of mediums or art styles that you can eventually create. All you need is to know what kind of styles, what kind of uh, style and medium. Style or medium is one thing, so let me just use the style word. So you need to know that how many types of style images are there and how you can create it. Here you can see studio GHIBL, Ghibli, HR Jigger, Jigger, or you can say GIGER. So these are the actually styles which is very important when you're creating images. If you need AI images, you should say this, I need an AI image of a glass of a water, filled with this the color and blah blah, all of the things that you need. Fourth point is control the composition, include camera angles, top down, wide shoot, close up. You can also describe your image with this particular thing, which is like the composition. Here you can see, if you want a wide shot, you can also tell the AI generated tools that I need a wide shot of this, I need a close up shot of this. Camera angles, perspective, and environment. These are also the three things: camera angles, top down, wide shot or close up. But in the perspective, isometric, first person view, or there are lots of perspective. You just have to know what you need. Environment: in a forest, inside a spaceship, at a rainy marketplace. So these are the examples that you should explain to the AI generator, that what kind of environment, what kind of background, you know what kind of actually picture should be. Use adjectives, add richness and emotions. Also you can also use this adjective, which is like emotions and richness: elegant, geeky, cozy, basimical, hunting, hyper realistic. So these are the few things which are very 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 important in creating images, because this is the detailed, this is a detailed overview of image prompting. Most of you guys might don't know about this, but when you're creating images, you should first know the structure, the subject, the style, medium, lighting, colors, scheme, more detail. And then when you're describing your images, you need to have these type of information, that what kind of style you would want, what kind of short camera angles do you want, what could be the environment, what would be the perspective, and what would be the emotion in the image. Moving ahead, we have few examples. Here you can see pro prompt examples: realistic portrait, a clone-up portrait of a white elderly woman, deeply wrinkles, dramatic lightning, Canon DSLR photos, shallow depth of field, photorealistic. Fancy scene, product mock-up. So these are actually the three things: realistic portrait, fantasy scene, and product mock-up. Let me just again come to the AI tool, and let me just copy this prompt, that I need this type of image. Let's see what kind of image this tool will produce. A close-up portrait of a wise elderly woman. Amazing. Deeply wrinkles, dramatic lightning, Canon DSLR photo, shallow depth of field photo, realistic. This is pretty much amazing picture, with a very, a deep look. Again, if I just use this tool, Raphael AI, let's see what kind of image this tool will give us. I'm using this portrait. Let me just use this one. This is pretty much good. This seems a very real image. So this is how you create, prompting. We have another scene which is fantasy scene. Like if you are creating something on based on fantasy, you should, and you want images, you can use. Also, or if you're somebody and you're like, oh, I don't know how to, write this prompt, and I cannot explain the image. You can, help. You can use, again, you can use AI tools for this, for the description of the image. Like if you're not explaining an image properly, you can ask the tool that, describe this image in this structure. You can use this structure here, what I provided you. Here you can see subject style, medium, lightning, color scheme, more details. So you need to know, what kind of image you would want. So that's where you need help. You will eventually, get help from AI tools. Minimalistic smartwatch on a white background, isometric views, commercial product photo, high resolution. Let's see, if I would want to create a product ad, and I would want then image of my product. So I just let's say, I have a white watch product and I want this type of scene. And let's see what kind of image it will provide us. This tool is basically, asking me to sign up, but I am not signing in because the video will be again long. Let's see. Minimalistic watch. Wow. A white background, asymmetric view. Good. Commercial product photo, high resolution, soft shadow. Amazing. Here you can see this is the shadow of image. So this is how you create images using these using these specific points. Be specific. Again I'm telling you guys, be specific, structure your prompt, use this prompt again and again. Mention the art style, the compositions. It's explain these three things. Use, emotional things like cozy, creative, or elegant. And then come to this these three things: realistic portrait, fantasy scenes, and product mockups. Okay, I hope you understand this. If you have any questions, do comment and let me know. See you in the next video.